तुझं झालं गाणं पुन्हा झाले.
सर करा सुरू.
हॅलो, आवाज यायला?
हा सर येतोय.
ठीक आहे. फक्त 33 जण आलेले आहेत आतापर्यंत. सकाळचं झालं नाही क्लास?
सकाळचं नाही सर.
दुपारी होणार आहे का?
हा 4ला.
ठीक आहे, 2 मिनिटं वाट बघू. आज काय घ्यायचं? माझ्याकडे जसे अवेलेबल होईल मटेरियल त्याप्रमाणे टॉपिक्स होतील. 2 टॉपिक झालेले आहेत. हॉस्पिटल अँड इट्स ऑर्गनायझेशन, हॉस्पिटल फार्मसी अँड इट्स ऑर्गनायझेशन. लेट्स मूव विथ द कम्युनिटी फार्मसी. टुडेज सेशन विथ द कम्युनिटी फार्मसी. काय
बंद केला.
कोणाचा आवाज येतोय? माधव कांबळे, 3040. Wait for another 2-3 minutes for joining all the contestants, students for this class. Community pharmacy, nothing but the pharmacy available for the community instead of hospital pharmacy. आपण जे मेडिकल स्टोर्स म्हणतो जे आपल्या नियर बाय असतील, that pharmacy stores are called as community pharmacy. The place where the pharmacy are situated nearby the community. The role is same like hospital pharmacy as well as for community pharmacy. Dispensing of medications to the community after prescribing from the physicians as well as for the OTC drugs. With the help of proper information about the drugs to the patients by various sources. Again, if store is forming, then their layout is essential. The minimum layout for the community pharmacy is 120 square meter. For retail as well as for wholesaler 120. Retail plus wholesaler 180 square meter is minimum requirement as per the legislation of TNC Act. I'll be studying the pharmaceutical jurisprudence TNC Act last year. So with the help of that TNC Act, as per the TNC Act, the pharmacy store must be 120 square meter. Any retail or wholesale drugstore. If combinedly you have to take the registration for retail as well as wholesale drugstore, it requires 180 square meter minimum.
Please sir, screen दिसत नाही.
Screen चालू केलं नाही अजून. Just general information you have to share from my side as well as you have to learn or see day-to-day life. आता दिसते का स्क्रीन?
नाही सर अजून.
कसं काय रे? लॅपटॉपवर काय? आता दिसते का? आता दिसेल. Zoom meeting not responding. आता दिसते स्क्रीन?
हो सर दिसते.
ठीक आहे. Today we have to engage with the community pharmacy. Last lecture with the hospital pharmacy. The next consecutive section with the pharmacy, that is the community pharmacy. Community means nothing but we are to living in some community where the pharmacy stores are available. That stores are called as community store, nothing but in simple language. The content of this community pharmacy as per your syllabus is concerned, it contains organization, and structure of retail and wholesale drugs and their types and design. You have to study in this segment, community pharmacy. Legal requirement for establishment and maintenance of drugstores. Means which type of license we have required for general license as well as for restriction license. Generally 20 and 21 license numbers are given from the FDA for running the community pharmacy. Depend on the scheduled drugs, they are categorized. And dispensing of proprietary products. How dispense the product from the community pharmacy stores. And finally, different types of records are essential to maintain in community pharmacy for retail as well as wholesale drug stores. There are 3 types of records maintained in the drugstores. We have to discuss over here the maintenance of records of retails as well as drugstores. There are some learning outcome after completion of these sessions. Community pharmacy, we have to learn about the community pharmacy and their functions towards the community. Know about the organization chart or organized structure of community pharmacy as in the form of retail as well as wholesale drugstores. Know about their various legal requirement for establishing the new drugstores as well as their maintenance of drugstores. Know about the dispensing proprietary products and know about the various maintenance records maintained during the inspection of retail as well as wholesale drugstores. That is legal records, patient records, and financial records. These are the 3 records you have to maintain in the retail as well as wholesale drugstores. We have to discuss here. First of all, we admit Galinath and Ladimit Karta will continue the session. All of you know about the pharmacy. Pharmacy is the one of the health profession which links health science with chemical science, and it is engaged with the safe and effective use of the pharmaceutical drugs. This is a simple definition of pharmacy. Actually, first class ला गेला पे होता है, ठीक है. Our syllabus is pharmacy practice. So pharmacy practice includes compounding and dispensing, a major role in pharmacy practice. From pharmacy stores, either hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy, or where the pharmacy continue their job of dispensing. The main is compounding and dispensing of the medicaments. Clinical services like one of the drugs undergo, like our coronavirus, coronavaxis undergo trials. The clinical services are provided from the pharmacy stores. Reviewing medication of safety and efficacy. If any drugs enter into the market, it will continue the reviewing of medication of newly drug enter into market. Their safety and their efficacy was reviewed by the pharmacist, providing detailed drug information to the patients in the form of drug informations like you have to see the dosage forms, which contains one small leaflet. It contains whole drug profiles of concerned medicaments in the form of drug informations. And for that, the pharmacists are required for doing the pharmacy practice. What is pharmacist? Pharmacist is a primary health professional, which is an expert on drug therapy and who optimize medication use to provide patients with positive health outcomes. Pharmacist, nothing but it's a health professional, primary health professionals in our systems, healthcare systems. So let us move with our today's session, that is community pharmacy. Community pharmacy, nothing but is a healthcare facility provided to the community in the form of pharmacy stores, chain pharmacy departments, or you have to call as drug stores, medical and general store. In the form of medical and general store, we have to give the services to the community, which serves pharmaceutical services to a specific community. It dispenses medicines and typically involved for the dispensing of medicines are registered pharmacists. Without registered pharmacists, should not open the community pharmacy from FDA, Food and Drug Administration. As per the DLC Act, the registered pharmacy must be there for the dispensing of medicament from the pharmacy stores. Here another terminology is pharmacy automations, which involves mechanical process of handling and distribution of medicines or medicaments. That is called as pharmacy automations. This is a simple definition with community pharmacy. Next is a role of community pharmacist, where the pharmacists are engaged with the community pharmacy stores. What is the major role? First, community pharmacist is responsible for first role is dispensing and distribution of medicine to the specified community where the community pharmacy are situated or located. They work to legal and ethical guidelines as per the DLC Act to ensure the correct and safe supply of the medicament, even over-the-counter drugs to the general public. The role of community pharmacists, ethical ones. They does not bypass the ethics as per the DLC Act. Even also for the OTC drug. For example, profitable drugs should not be dispensed from the community pharmacy. If the patient asks someone, then those drugs are dispensed from the community pharmacy, ethical basis. But nowadays, unethical practices are going on, so on. So, to maintain the ethical guidelines given by the DLC Act for the community pharmacies for the dispensing and distribution of the medicines. Third role is providing the information related with the drugs and the advice. If any adverse drug reaction is occurred with that particular drugs, you have to inform from the community pharmacist or inform from the pharmacist. Even also in hospital pharmacy, the same role is from the pharmacist. Some pharmacists also involved by offering the health checkup camps. Generally, you have to see in the words health checkup camp arranged at so and so hospital in presence of so and so pharmacists for community purpose. For example, generally blood checking camp, blood pressure monitoring, hemoglobin monitoring, diabetes screening, sugar level, you have to screenings with the help of such a camp, which is organized by the pharmacy stores, community pharmacy for the community purpose. And as well as the main motto is promoting our pharmacy stores. Main motto behind the health checkup camps, main motto to well known in the society by concerned pharmacy stores. And most important, as for the ethical point of view, pharmacists cannot form the businesses with the physicians or doctors in partnership. In ethical grounds, do not enter the doctors or physicians in the pharmacy store. But nowadays, unethical practices are going so far. Some of the doctors are involved in formation of hospital pharmacy with partnership because there is a huge margins occurs in the particular dosage forms or particular medicaments. So most of the doctors are involved to establish a pharmacy stores by placing registered pharmacists as a pharmacist over there with the help of some salary and some salary 15 to 20,000 if doctors are involved. They give the salary to the pharmacist and full control of that pharmacy store with physician generally. This kind of practice is not ethical practices, but nowadays it happens with the pharmacy stores. So this type of practices not happens as per the ethical ground. Another role, prescribing and dispensing functions of physician and pharmacist in control. Whatever the dispensing of the medicament is in control of the pharmacist. That is, unwanted misuse of the medicament does not happen with the help of control by the pharmacist. So, the terminology is that is pharmaceutical cares. Care means protections for the quality of life. Here, protection of misuse of the drugs for betterment of the community. The pharmaceutical cares, nothing but is the responsible provision of drug therapy for the purpose of achieving definite outcome that improves patient quality life by using the pharmaceutical medicaments. Different dosage form gives the different outcomes. That outcomes are achieved by using proper medicaments. Next segment. Next task related with the drug, that is drug information. Little bit information here to given here. There is a separate chapter in this pharmacy practices, drug information services. Here, generally drug informations are available with the pre-packaged medicaments. Earlier we had to talk, some dosage form gives the medicaments. Some little information about that particular medicament in the form of leaflet. This type of little information given to the pre-packed medicines for their use. This is one of the example of adhesive sticker bonds. The information is given in the container itself or in the form of small information page involved in the given in the packaged medicines. Pharmacists compete with the other source of advice and information, like from the doctors, from community, and from the media used for the given used to give the information related to the drug. These are the other sources of advice and information on drugs given by the pharmacist. That is the open and wide availability of alternative sources for advice and information. Generally, with the help of internet source, we have to give the information of the drugs. And ensure that pharmacists ensure that the individual patient's informational requirements are met in the form of written informations. This is a small information how to get the information of related drugs, either in the form of pre-packed medicine with a single page information about the drugs, some using media and other sources like internet from the doctors give the information of drug to the patients, as well as whatever the requirement of individual patients information we have to deliver in either in the written form or in the form of communications. Next segment, after definition, role and informations about the drug. Legislation. Legislation, nothing but it's a laws related with the community pharmacy here. First law for the community pharmacy is nothing but the pharmacist practicing at the pharmacy should be a registered pharmacist with a registering body. For example, for in the Maharashtra State Pharmacy Council is registered those who have completed their diploma in pharmacy, bachelor of pharmacy or master of pharmacy. They are registered with the state pharmacy councils, and after registering, those are called as registered pharmacists. These registered pharmacists are required for hospital pharmacy. For community pharmacy, first law or first rule for start the community pharmacies with registered pharmacists is required. The process of community pharmacy practice is controlled by legislations as per the DC Act. Legislations classify medicines accordingly. First is category of medicines that may be sold from other outlets. Means apart from pharmacy sold, some drugs or some medicines are sold from like kirana stores, general stores. Some medicines are sold it over there. That medicines are categorized as a general medicine. For that medicine does not require any pharmacy store. For example, Eno is a general medicaments generally given any public, any community, any person. Consumption of Eno and from pharmacy store as well as from general store are kirana stores. Such medicines are categorized sold from the other outlets. Category of medicine that may be sold after being recommended by pharmacists. For sorting of these medicines, the pharmacy stores are required. With the presence of pharmacists, such medicines are sold there. Like OTC products, you have to call over the counters with the help of recommendation of pharmacists. These medicines are sold. For example, cetirizine. Cetirizine, common cold preparations or in allergic conditions. Cetirizine is sold in the OTC products. Paracetamol is a OTC product. Advertising products, they are sold by the recommendation by pharmacist after giving the requirement from the patients or peoples. Third is category of patient that requires prescriptions. Prescription sold medicines, indirectly you have to call it as. With the help of prescribed physicians, after prescription receiving and dispensed medicament. The category of medicines that are controlled. For example, fentanyl, methadone. There is a control under the control of pharmacists. These medicines are dispensed to the patients. And finally, the pharmacy services must be available for 24 hours. Nothing but these pharmacy services are the emergency services for the community. 24 hours opening of pharmacy services for whole 7 days. That is, it means it is called as 24/7 working hours for the pharmacy services. And generally for the nighttime services, rosters are available or issued during the night services. And also the pharmacy services service in the holidays as well as public holidays. There is a complete legislation related with the community pharmacies. Next segment is actions of community. Actions of community pharmacists in society. First action is buying of medicines. Second is storage of medicines. Some temperature controlled storage is required for the particular medicines. They are stored in the appropriate conditions according to their storage conditions. Dispensing of medicines as another role or action. Compounding and ensuring the quality of compounded products. Patients medication review, advise patients on use of medicines and participation in the ADR reports, the main role. ADR nothing but adverse drug reactions. If after taking the drugs, someone happened with the unwanted response of that particular drug, they are noted and intimated or reported to the superiors like doctors or reporting systems. Ensure rational and safe use of the medicines by patients. Whatever the medicines you have to dispense to the concerned patient, the use of that particular medicaments are rational and safe for the patients. That information is given by the community pharmacy. Monitoring of the self-care is another actions of community pharmacy in the society. Point of care testings, health promotion and promotion of health lifestyles like nutritional supplement, physical activity, smoking, like conditions you have to promoted by the hospital pharmacy to the society. Participation in national healthcare systems to provide social pharmacy services. and other responsibility like nutrition supplements, special food like supplements are supplied through the community pharmacy. For disability persons, various disability used apparatus or called as items which are used for the disabled person. They are provided. For example, wheelchairs, walking aids are provided from the community pharmacy to the particular disabled patients. Community pharmacy also look at the veterinary products, veterinary medicines. Veterinary, nothing but it is related with the animal supplements, animal medicines also supplied from the community pharmacy. Final summary related with the community pharmacy involved in the public health through the community pharmacy. This is general summary where the pharmacist involved in the public through community pharmacy. First is drug and nutritional counseling, use of OTC and prescribed medicines, and give the information related with the drugs, family planning, pregnancy and infant care, immunization process was carried out with the help of government's healthcare systems. The pharmacists are involved. Counseling of the sexually transmitted diseases through community pharmacy. Toxic agent controls, healthy and safety for the public, control of accidental injuries from the drugs, prevention of smoking, alcoholism, and drug abuse. These are the rules. Environmental protection, most important, environmental protections. And finally, weight control programs. Nowadays, we are suffering from the weight gains. Majority of the people are suffering from the weight gains. So, control the weight program was carried out in presence of community pharmacy. And finally, the poisonous drugs and the cancer detection was the area where the pharmacists get involved in